진짜를 뭔지
Wait! No! No! No way!
G'day fellas, my name's Bangshan. And I'm Felix. And we're from Australia!
We tire.
Brekkie? Nah, I had a shrimp on a barbie.
You got a shrimp on a barbie.
What are you gonna have in the arvo?
I'll have another shrimp on a barbie.
뭔가 사람 없고 그런 느낌. 버려진 느낌.
Stray Kids.
Bro, you've been on the ground for like 10 minutes now.
I know, right? I was getting rid of the makeup.
I gave me the makeup.
And why do you have 3 burgers?
No!
Round and round.